तुमचे आदले कलीग आणि सारके बरे इश्ट तुम्ही भरपूर वर्सां वांगडा अशें काम केल्लें आसा रवी नाईक वांगडा.
So, as far as Mr. Ravi Naik is concerned, he's been a family friend much before he became Chief Minister of Goa. I recall that we launched our liquor business in Bar Ravi Ponda, which was owned by him. From that time, I have known Ravi Naik to be an excellent host, to welcome you with open arms whenever you met him. I'm talking of before he became Chief Minister. Forget about once he became Chief Minister. I will also confess that if the sequeras from Raya have reached wherever they have reached today, it is because of Ravi Naik. He has helped my father. He was a very close friend of my father. And when my father died, he spent the entire day till the body went to the church at our house. I think this speaks of the type of relationship we had with him. This relationship he continued, and we have strived to maintain it till the day he died. I was not well in between. Ravi Naik would constantly phone to inquire about me, and given the time, he would constantly visit me at home at Raya. I think these speak of our relationship. I believe I have lost a good friend in him. I wish his family all the best, that they will be able to absorb this loss. And I also pray that his soul rests in peace.
Okay, sir.